Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, kids. This is again your Nair sir. And what are we doing? We're talking about algebraic expression. The previous video I have taken single variable. This video we are going to talk about multiple variable. Let's quickly dive in directly to the worksheet because the concept of algebraic expression has been introduced to yourself. You can watch that link. I'll share that link on my comment box and come back to me if you've got any more information requirement. Let's do it. I've got this worksheet. Now here very carefully, if you notice, let's look at the first question. I have got xy. Now again the same thing, the lesson, this particular exercise or this particular type of question are divided into three. One is simple, one is moderate, and one is advanced. I won't say difficult because the moment I say difficult, it becomes like, you set your mind कि ये मेरे से होने वाला नहीं है. So instead of difficult, I will say advanced. Okay, let's kick that down. xy minus 5. I need to evaluate. What is there given? Given is x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2. Straight simple, 5 multiplied by 2 minus 5. That will be 10 minus 5 and that will give me 5. Now, if I want to make this question slightly different, so what I could have done, I would have said that x is equal to 5 and y is equal to minus 2. What I'm going to check, I'm testing that, do you remember what is that integer which your teacher has spent at least 4 or 5 classes to teach you? Now let's substitute this. X, y minus 5. I've got this algebraic expression. Okay. Algebraic expression and algebraic equation has got only one difference. And that difference is nothing else but called as equal to 0. I'll take that lesson separately. Now, x is 5 multiply by y is minus 2. The moment I get minus 2, I'm going to use my bracket. Minus 5, chota step hai, but very important. Now, 5 into 2 plus minus is minus. 5 to is 10. 10 minus 5. Now, it is integer. Minus 10 minus 5. Same sign. Add and put the sign. Hope कुछ दिमाग में गया. Let's look at which question? Or let's look at the 8th question. A, 1 minute. Yeah. A minus B upon 3. Where what is being given? A is equal to 9 and B is equal to 6. Substitute. This is the reason why I said this is easy, moderate, and advanced. So this one, what you're doing is you're doing easy one. So that's the reason why simple thing looks very simple. Upon 3, that is 3 upon 3, and that is 1. Clear, done, dusted. I think there is no other question which I need to address. Okay, let me address this question, the question number 4. M, let's erase this off. M minus 3n, where m is equal to 8 and n is equal to 2. What am I doing? Remember one thing, multiple variable. Why am I talking multiple variable? Because m and n are variable. So m is equal to 8 minus 3 into 2. That makes it 8 minus 3 to the 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. Simple. Let's go to the moderate questions now. The moderate question here. Okay. Moderate question, they are going to play with the sign. Remember that a teacher has to check that is my children knowing everything or not. 2c minus d. And what are they saying? C is equal to 6 and D is equal to minus 3. Okay. 2 into C is 6 minus This minus is different. Then D is minus 3. I'm putting using the bracket. Okay. Learn to use, if it is a negative sign, learn to write that thing into a bracket. It will help you a lot. 2 6 are 12. Minus minus becomes plus and becomes 3. Same sign, add and put the sign. Good. Let's look at which question. Okay. I find, oh, this one, the question number 2 looks to be interesting. Let's look at this. Chaliye. XY upon, oh, sorry, XZ. Now, this is where you need to be careful. Huh? XZ upon Y. Sir से भी गलती होती है, याद रखो. Okay. X is equal to 5, Y is equal to 2, and Z is equal to 4. X to 5 multiplied by Z is 4 divided by 2. 5 4s are 20 upon 2. What is that equal to? 10 is my answer. Okay, let's look at one more question. That will be the last question for this exercise. It is R upon 5 minus 1. Okay, R is equal to minus 10. And S, oh, this is S, not 5. Dekha? Again, this kind of errors do happen. So you need to be very, very watchful. S is equal to 2. R is minus 10, sir, minus 10. So put it in a bracket, straight simple, divided by S is 2, 2, minus 1. Fractional addition, subtraction, need to be very careful on when you're doing it. Now this is minus upon plus. Minus upon plus is minus. So my answer will be minus. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Okay? Minus, this is minus 1. Minus 5 minus 1 would be minus 6. Same sign, add and put the sign. Go next. Now we are going for the advanced version. What is the advanced version telling? Okay. Let's look at question number 3. Okay. Question number 3. 4FGH plus 5. Multiple variable. F is a variable, G is a variable, H is a variable. And what are they saying? F is equal to minus 1, G is equal to 2, H is equal to 3. Let's substitute. 4. Sir, F is minus 1, 2, let's put them in a bracket, and 3 plus 5. Plus minus, minus 4. 2, 3 plus 5. 4 to the plus minus, minus 8 bracket plus 5. Minus 8 into 3 plus minus minus 8 to the 24 plus 5. Different sign, subtract. Subtract. What do you get? 19. 19. What is a bigger number? 24. What is the sign? Minus. Answer. Cool? अगर समझ में आता है तो अच्छा है, नहीं समझ में आता है तो कमेंट में डालो और कितना अच्छी तरह समझाना है सर कोशिश करेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. n square minus m square. M is equal to 1 upon 3 and n is equal to 1. Okay. 1 the whole square minus bracket 1 upon 3 the whole square. 1 1s are 1 minus 1 1s are. Now numerator and denominator का square will be numerator square upon denominator square. Bracket में डाल दो. Numerator 1 1s are 1, 3 3s are 9. हो गया? Now 1 minus 1 upon 9 can be written as 1 upon 1 minus 1 upon 9. Fraction, that is what I was just talking to you. Okay? Everything kids will be tested. You have positive integer, negative integer, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, fraction addition, fraction subtraction, everything will be tested. And that's the reason where mathematics is, and this is very important for kids who are going to take mathematics in their advanced level study. So 9 ones are 9, 1 into 9, this is cross multiplication kar raha hu, minus 1 into 1. 9 ones are 9, minus 1 upon 9. 9 minus 1, 8, 8 upon 9. That's my answer. पसंद आया? पसंद आया तो YouTube के लिंक को एक लाइक बटन दबाओ, share it across to the friend, and let's see how we can make mathematics easier during this world of AI. You all kids will be learning a lot of things with AI. Have a lovely day, kids. Enjoy and be good. Thank you very much. Take care.